Maya was a single mother. She had two small children. She worked in a grocery store. Her salary was very low. She had to pay rent, buy food, take care of her kids. Life was very difficult, but Maya had one special skill. She was very good at baking. She loved making cakes, cookies, and bread. Baking made her happy, but baking was just a hobby, or so she thought. One day, Maya baked cupcakes for her son's birthday. Her friend took a bite and said, "Maya, these are delicious. You should sell them." At first, Maya laughed. "Who will buy my cakes?" she thought. But the idea stayed in her mind. That night, as she watched her children sleep, she thought about their future. She wanted to give them a better life, and maybe this was her chance. The next day, she took 500 rupees, bought flour, sugar, and butter. She made some cookies and posted pictures on WhatsApp and Facebook. Then she waited. One day passed, no orders. 2 days passed, no orders. On the third day, ding! Her phone rang. Her heart raced. She got her first order. A lady wanted 10 cupcakes. Maya was so happy, but this was just the beginning. Maya worked in the grocery store during the day. At night, she baked. She mixed the batter while her children did their homework. She decorated cakes while they slept. Sometimes she was very tired. Sometimes she wanted to give up, but she kept going. Her children helped her. They packed the cookies. They cleaned the kitchen. They believed in her, and that made her believe in herself. But business was slow. Some days she had no orders. Some people asked for discounts. Some did not pay on time. She felt frustrated, but she did not give up. She worked harder. She learned new recipes. She made her cakes even better, and slowly, her business started growing. One day, a cafe owner ordered 50 cookies. He loved them. He said, "Maya, your cookies are amazing. Can you bake for my cafe?" Maya was shocked. She smiled and said, "Yes, of course." More people started ordering from her. She saved money. She quit her job. After 2 years, she opened her own bakery. Today, her bakery is famous in the city. The sign outside says, "Maya's Bakery, baked with love." Now think about this. Maya started with nothing, just a dream and hard work. If she can do it, you can do it too. Start small, keep going, believe in yourself, because success always starts with the first step. What is your dream? Maybe today is the day to start. If this story touched your heart, if you felt inspired, like this video to support more stories like this, comment and share your thoughts, and subscribe to join our journey of motivation and success, because your dreams matter, and together, we can achieve greatness.